Hey guys, so here we are in the heart of the Dolomites.
So before we start, I just wanted to let you know that all my photography is available for printing, and you can check them out on my page Alex Beldi Photography, and I will insert the link in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys.
I've dedicated the last years traveling to some incredible places. I'm Alex Beldi, and I'm a wildlife photographer. Beauty on Our project is my personal tribute to our planet, where I hope through my photography to convey the beauty of the species and the place they have in our world, and trying to help protect them, but also show the impact we have on them and their habitat. The journey is long, but quite incredible. If you ever wondered how some of my photographs were taken, oh well, the answer is hard work, tons of patience, incredible challenges in different environments, but a strong love for wildlife. These to mention only a few factors. Doing so, I had the privilege to meet incredible cultures. So now please come on a magical journey with me. Support my project by choosing a membership on Patreon.
If you are enjoying what I do, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and if you click the bell close to it, you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you very much. This trip starts with a train ride to Conegliano, a town in the north of Italy, where I met a good friend of mine.
Hey guys, so I'm with Egidio. He's a friend of mine and we know each other for many years. We met in the mountains. We're on the way to the mountains in the north of Italy. The name of the place is Passo Giao, 2,200 meters. So his website is egidioalpago.com, and you'll find the link in the description below. It will be snow, so I'm very excited. It's my first time seeing snow in a long time. Actually, I saw it in Morocco, which was very impressive.
And I have to say that the Italian country road with the fog has its charm. Here we are moving towards the Dolomites, followed by some beauty along the road that this place has to offer.
Hey guys, so here we are in the mountains in the north of Italy, and it's snowing. It's amazing. It's actually my first time in a while seeing snow. In Morocco we saw some snow, but I wasn't touching it. So now it's the first time in a while seeing snow. It's so beautiful, and we're going for a coffee now. I'll show you around.
We also managed to have some conversations with some locals while enjoying some morning espresso in a local bar. There we had the opportunity to see some traditional masks of the carnival in the Dolomites.
Guys, we are in Passo Giao at 2,200 meters in the heart of the Dolomites, and it's foggy. You can barely see, so maybe the visibility is 100 meters, but it's very foggy, so obviously no drone footages. And it's snowing, it's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you around a little bit. Hola. Martí. Okay, so we are looking for a place to eat, but it's Tuesday and this place is closed on Tuesday, so we are not very lucky. Is it open? Huh? The bar is open?
Yeah, it's open.
Let me see. Okay guys, so the restaurant was open and we had some lunch and now we're soon we'll have a cappuccino. Look how much snow is behind me. Let me show you some of the things around here. Basically we are just waiting for the weather to come down a little bit. It's still snowing and it's really foggy, so you cannot see much, and we hope to take some photographs. We have okay guys, so the break is finished. Let's go and explore a little bit around. Let's put some better snow gear on, and the sky is opening now. See?
Hello.
Having fun?
Yeah, it's fun now, huh?
This is where we are now. Passo ciao. We're gonna hike a little bit. Oh, look at this. Hey guys, here we are in the heart of the Dolomites. I love it. They're around -6 degrees, and it's amazing. The view, breathtaking. I love it. The snow, the trees, fresh air. Really, can't ask for more. To share something with you. I think, you know, maybe there are -2 degrees, which is not extremely cold, but what I wanted to say is that when you are surrounded with all this beauty, you don't really feel the cold, and I think this is an amazing thing, you know. It's super beautiful here. I love the energy that this place gives. It's the mountains are beautiful. It's a bit of fog down there, but here it's really, really beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so now the tricky part is to get down. Cameras in the front. I'm holding my camera with my tripod, and it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy and gets heavier the longer you hold it. So guys, one thing, if you go in the mountains, a thing that is very important, make sure you bring the right gear. Alright? So today it wasn't very wise for me. I didn't had exactly all the gear I needed. Whenever you go in the mountains, make sure you are prepared. Here we are at the bottom. I have a lot of snow on my shoes. A lot. So my socks were completely wet, so I had to take them off. I'll put my pair of dry socks. Hey guys, so we made just in time. Now we're heading back, and started a snowstorm, and the visibility is not that great, so we have to be very careful to drive slow. And yeah, it's snowing, so anyway, it was a great day. We had a lot of fun, we did a lot of things. It was amazing to feel the snow and to enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to this channel if you like what I do, and if you click the bell close to it, you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. So please do that. If you are enjoying my videos, of course, please follow Egidio. Egidio is a professional photographer, and his photography is amazing. So please check it out, egidioalpago.com, and I will also insert the link in the description below. Now we'll focus on driving because it's the conditions are quite tricky. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.